What if I told you that the most underrated growth hack in 2025 isn't TikTok, it isn't Instagram, and it's definitely not buying ads? It's email. Yes, that little inbox you think nobody checks. The truth? Email isn't dead. It's making businesses more money than social media ever will. And today, I'm going to show you the email marketing secrets no one ever told you about. Hi, I'm Cynthia, and welcome to Honest Work by Enyambik Cynthia. On this channel, we cut through the noise and talk about real strategies that build lasting businesses, not just hype. Today's episode is about email marketing, not the boring, spammy, buy now kind of emails. I'm talking about emails that build trust, create connections, and generate sales even while you sleep. So grab your notebook because we're diving deep into 10 powerful secrets that will transform how you think about email. The myth of the dying inbox. You've probably heard email is dead. But here's the data. In 2025, over 4.7 billion people use email daily. That's more than any social media platform combined. And unlike social platforms, when you hit send, you're competing with an algorithm deciding whether your audience even sees it. Your list is yours. Social media is rented land. Email is your house. If Twitter, TikTok, or LinkedIn disappeared tomorrow, would you still have your customers' attention? If you have their email addresses, the answer is yes. The psychology behind high open rate emails. Emails aren't about blasting. They're about curiosity. A subject line isn't just a headline, it's a doorway. Human brains are wired to respond to either curiosity, fear of missing out, or direct benefit. Examples. The 3 mistakes killing your sales emails. I wasn't going to share this, but read this before you launch your next campaign. Notice something? They all spark curiosity, create urgency, and feel personal. That's the psychology behind why people click. Subject line frameworks that crush in 2025. Here are 3 quick frameworks you can swipe. 1. The number plus outcome formula. 7 subject lines that doubled my open rate. 2. The curiosity gap formula. This tiny mistake cost me 1,000 subscribers. 3. The question formula. Are you making this rookie email mistake? Don't overcomplicate it. Simple, clear, curiosity-driven subject lines always win. Why personalization beats automation? We're in an AI-driven age, but ironically, the more tech we use, the more people crave human touch. Personalization goes beyond, "Hi, first name." It's about knowing what stage your customer is at and writing to that person. For example, a new subscriber should get a warm welcome, not a hard pitch. A loyal customer should get insider access, not a generic discount. Write like you're emailing one friend. That's how you stand out in an inbox full of robots. The power of storytelling in emails. Emails that read like ads get ignored. Emails that read like stories get shared. Why? Because stories are how humans process information. Instead of saying, "Our software saves time," tell a story. Last week, one of our clients used our tool and cut her meeting prep from 2 hours to 20 minutes. She wrote back, "I got my evening back with my kids." That's what it means to save time. Story versus feature, every time. Segmentation. Talk to people like you know them. Sending one blanket email to your entire list is like giving everyone the same birthday gift. Some will love it, most won't. Segment your list. Separate new subscribers, buyers versus non-buyers, active readers versus inactive ones. Send the right message to the right person. It's extra work, but it multiplies results. The hidden ROI of email marketing. Here's what social media won't tell you. Email generates $42 for every $1 spent. That's the industry average ROI. Some businesses do even better. Why? Because once you set up the system, your cost doesn't rise with your list size the way ads do. Ads get expensive. Algorithms change. Email remains one of the most predictable growth tools you'll ever own. The tools I recommend right now. The tools don't make the strategy, but they matter. In 2025, here are the platforms worth looking at. ConvertKit for creators, Klaviyo for e-commerce, Beehive for newsletters, ActiveCampaign for advanced automation. Choose based on your business model, not what's trendy. Mistakes that kill your campaigns. Here are the 3 fastest ways to kill your results. 1. Writing like a robot. 2. emailing only when you want to sell. 3. Ignoring your analytics. Your subscribers aren't leads, they're people. Treat them that way. And here's a bonus secret. Action plan your next 30 days. Here's what to do starting today. 1. Create a simple lead magnet, a free PDF, checklist, or mini course. 2. Set up a welcome sequence of 3 to 5 emails. 3. Write 1 email a week for the next 30 days. 4. Focus on value versus sell. Do this consistently, and in 30 days, you'll see why email is the single most powerful tool in your business. If you got value from this, subscribe to Honest Work by Enyambik Cynthia. Share this video with one person who has been struggling to grow their business online. Remember, social media is rented land, but email is your house. Build it. See you next time.